Damn it. I was muted all this time. Ah, man. Shit. Okay, let's redo the intro. All right. So sorry about that. All right. So welcome and welcome back. So welcome to the new followers. So obviously, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to activate notification because I rarely go on at the exact same time. And sometimes I just go on randomly. Okay, so most of the time I go to will be on Tuesday morning, around like 7:30 a.m. ish. That's why you definitely want to activate notification. And on Thursday night, most of the time will be around 6 p.m. Eastern for Forex Talk Review. Like I said, sometimes I just go on randomly to answer some questions. So make sure to activate notification. All right. So hopefully everyone's having a great week so far. On my end, it is amazing. Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty good week this week. I'm not gonna lie, pretty happy with that. Um, so let me see here. Let's say we are good to go. All right, we're good. Okay, so now sound is good, right? Please tell me yes. Let me just double check here. Why is my mic on my cam? This is so fucked up. Okay, guys, I want your advice. Okay, I'm gonna switch my mic to my Meteor Samsung mic. Please let me know if the sound is better in three, two, one. Now, okay, so now what about the sound now? Is that better or worse than prior? I would bet that this should be better, but just need your input. Better now. Oh, that's what I thought. Okay, perfect. I don't know why it keeps putting default on my mic from my cam, which is weird. I hope for the past couple streams, because StreamYard have been doing an update, and I hope from the past stream it was not the webcam sound, because usually those are terrible. So please, guys, don't be shy to let me know my sound sucks ass when it does. Okay. Um, okay, guys. 10 times better. Okay, great. Thank you, Jacob. Better now. Okay, great, Raf. Now we're good. Okay, awesome. Okay, awesome. Let's go, side art. Let's fucking go. I'm pretty excited, man. Okay, but the show it's called Forex Talk for Forex Talk. Man, I'm so excited tonight. Forex Talk over a beer, man. I don't know what's going on with me. Those winning trade was pretty brutal. I mean, pretty massive. So pretty excited. Anyways, so this is called Forex Talk over a beer for a reason, because we're gonna be drinking a beer and talking about Forex, right? So that's the concept. So if you don't have a drink right now, run to the kitchen, grab a drink, beer, shots, vodka, wine, champagne, whatever you guys drinking. If you're watching the replay, maybe it's a morning in place, maybe you're drinking milk, orange juice, mimosa, my favorite. But hey, let's go. Okay, first thing first, let's do this. And we're gonna get going in just a second. We're gonna do the official cheers. If any of you snap a picture of that and post it on your story and tag my name on it, I will reshare it. Maybe I'll have a surprise. All right. So in three, two, one, cheers, guys. Thank you. Oh, this is good. This is real good. Okay. So enough talking, more trading. Oh, before we get going, I just want to do a little shout out to, and by the way, guys, I really appreciate reading your comments. I just saw those right now, like just when I was doing my live on Instagram. What the fuck? Okay, let's do. Sorry. So, I think it's this one. Is it? No, not this one. Was it this one? No. It should be my. Oh, I don't need to go there. I think that was this one. Yeah. So shout out to Motivational Corner. Best mentor, keep going. I really appreciate your work and teaching us. Thank you a lot. May Lord give you everything you need. Real OG. Thank you, man. And to Jay Setter, nice video, bro. Really appreciate the content. Very, I'm never able to pronounce that word. Sorry, man. The Frenchie. Keep up the hard work. By the way, what is your regular live stream date and time? UTC. All right. So let's do 6 p.m. for Forex Doc over beer UTC. So that would be shit. That's gonna give me the time in my place. So if you do this on Google, it'll give you your time, right? So I don't know. Sorry, man. So 6 p.m. Eastern and 7:30 a.m. ish on Tuesday morning. Okay. Okay, so now enough talking. More training. Okay, let's jump into it. Let's open up. Oh, I mean, you're there, man. Cheers. Cheers to you, man. Thank you. Okay, so let's jump into it. Let's go, guys. Let's open up this banner. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Perfect. Okay, cool. So let's rock and roll, guys. Let's have a great show. By the way, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. That's the reason why we are here. If you are in any group right now, any Discord, on your Instagram, on your Facebook, like anyone that shared this, send me a screenshot. We'll have a chance to win a little gift. Okay, so make sure to share the link of the live anywhere that you guys have visibility. It can be in any Discord. It can be in any of your story. Let them know we are here to help people. I'm not selling anything. I'm not here to promote any bullshit. I'm just here to answer questions and give you trade ideas and try to help you the best I can. Okay, so that's the main goal. All right. So let's jump into it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start with GJ. All right, so GJ right now. All right, so let's because I didn't look at my chart really today. Let me put this bigger here. Cool. So I didn't really look today because I had a crazy day. Okay, so we're looking at the weekly time frame right now. We are still bullish. We are at a high right now. Honestly, after this doji, I was expecting a pullback, but looks like this is going to be a booby trap candle, and this candle already broke previous high, so it looks like we're going to have a continuation here on the weekly. So knowing that now, obviously I don't like to enter a higher high. Holy fucking fuck! Sorry for the f-bomb. Yeah, no, I'm out. No, I'm not. That's disgusting. Not touching that. Not touching that. Please tell me the sound is still good. Because I had like a message that said like default mic. Are we still good? Like, are we still good? Let me go check the settings. Just want to make sure. Okay, thank God. Okay, great. Okay. Okay, let's jump back into it. So GJ, let's forget about it for any swing. The only thing I'm going to be looking at, it's probably tomorrow morning for the dogtail setup, but that's way too early to talk about that. I'm going to come back to GA because GA is the trade that I'm in right now, so I'll come back to it. USD man. USD took profit on Monday. I explained that on Tuesday morning. This was a solid 3-1. Our group was probably in the first people that I know on IG that's been sharing USD We were the first to be in. We were in since like we had that very good entry, and fuck the sniper entry. Sniper entry doesn't exist. This is very good entry based on that 30-minute engulfing right here in the H4 golden zone. So I broke that down on Monday morning. So I don't want to repeat myself. So if you want to know the exact breakout of this amazing trade, go watch previous stream from Monday. Sound is good. Okay, hold on. Let me check. There's a message popping up here. The hat flipped back. We're getting serious. Yeah, man. Let's get back to business, baby. Sound is good. Thank you, Vanessa. How are you, Vanessa? All right. So, all right. So USD CHF was massive, man. Massive, massive, massive. Very happy with that. Like, very happy. Yeah. Okay. So now let's talk about Euro NZD. Well, I'm keeping GA for like in two pairs. Okay, where are we going with G? What the? Okay, Euro and this. Why am I so far on my chart? Like, what's going on? Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, so here is one loss that I took. I got out. I'll show you. First, let me break it down for you. Why I got in that trade, because that's very important. Let me grab some beer. We need to stay hydrated. That's very important, guys. You know, it's very important. Guys and girls, right? Cheers. All right, cool. So here we are bullish on the weekly time frame, right? So we're bullish on the weekly time frame. We are bullish on the daily time frame. And when I send my message to my group, I said, listen, I'm going to enter this trade, but only with one, I think it was 1 or 1.5%. I can't remember, but 1 or 1.5%. The reason why is because I'm thinking that we're not going to stop here and we're going to go to this daily golden zone, but it made sense on 4 hours. So that's why I decided to take it still, but with a lower risk. Okay. So sometimes that's what you can do. You just lower your risk. If you don't want to miss out and you want to take the trade because everything else makes sense, take it. You know, just reduce your risk. You can go 0.5. And it's better doing this than just doing a paper trade, in my opinion. You know, sometimes if I'm risking too much, or I have like mini trades, I'm going to do a paper trade, obviously. But sometimes I just want to see, like, is that going to work? And if I don't have money on the line, I feel like it's not the same, right? So anyways, that's just me. So yeah, so anyways, so we were bullish here. We had this nice little pullback here. We had a doji here bullish. This was kind of something that convinced me. We had this also bullish candle on the daily. And if you look at the fib, we were rejecting 382, okay, right here. So I mean, plus we were at, let me move this out. Here we go. So we were at this daily area of interest. Okay. So for me, it made sense. I was like, all right, cool. So weekly daily made sense. But I was still like, in my opinion, we were like coming down to this golden zone. I've been telling you for years now, this fucking golden zone is like magnet, you know? So, anyways. Now if you look at 4 hour made sense also, you know. Now 4 hour was bullish, right? From here to here, we're bullish. Anything in between is just bullish, bullish, bullish. Everything is bullish. This is where I got screwed because I thought, like, not thought, but when I took that trade, I think it was like, yeah, it was early in the morning, and clearly I don't think like I was thinking straight because my chart was, the problem is, that's why I keep telling you guys, put those lines, right? I did it. It was there. But my chart was like this. And I don't know why, man. I just played dumb. I said, oh man, this is a new higher high. You know, even if it's been like years that you're trading, you still do some stupid fucking mistakes sometimes. Okay. So yeah, so I had this thought, I thought, sweet, we got a high high. Now we got a higher low. And we got a support form, not an engulfing, but support form. So I was like, all right, this makes sense. This makes sense. Let me go back to the lower time frame now. So now if you're looking at 1 hour went bullish, you know. In this case, that was right. You know, it went bullish. We got the pullback, nice engulfing candle right here on 1 hour. The reason why my entry was a little higher, was it on 30 minute or 1 hour? It was on 1 hour. The reason why my entry was a little higher is because was it on that one that I problem with my magic key? No, it was on USD CHF. I don't know. I guess I was late. It moved fast. I have no clue, but this is my exact entry. Technically, it would have supposed to be like right here at the opening of the candle, but unfortunately, this was my exact entry. Put stop loss. Put stop loss right there. And the reason why I put it there. Hold on. Wait a second. What time is that? There's no way. No way. Yeah, okay, now I get it. I enter on the 30-minute right here. Now I get it. That makes more sense. 6:35. I was not awake. Sorry, guys. So it was on this 30-minute engulfing. Sorry about the confusion here. And this was my entry with spread with probably like when price open, and it's supposed to be like right here. Oops. Let's move it straight. Oops. Fuck. Whatever. But it was at the opening of this candle. Okay. So yeah, and that's it, pretty simple. And now I got stopped. Okay, now where I got out, I put a note, I think. Oh shoot, was it on the 1 hour? Got out when H4, so hopefully this didn't move. Shit, the point moved, but I'm guessing got out when H4 broke previous low. That means probably here when this one broke previous low. I'm gonna have to check on my MT4, but anyways, so somewhere around here. So I cut it my loss short on this one because I already didn't trust that trade like 100%. Because I was thinking like we're gonna have a bigger pullback on the daily, like I explained it, like right here, and it looks like that's exactly where we're going. So now I'm willing to give this trade a second chance, obviously, because this was my plan A, was for a pullback at this area to go up, so this was plan A. And yeah, so right now let's update this chart. Let's update this chart. So this now is going to be our new lower low on H4, and this is going to be our new lower high. Now let's remove this. So now we know about it. And yeah, so now I'm going to place an alert here. Actually, let's put it above. That's going to say H4. H4 going bullish. The fuck? H4 going bullish. Perfect. Okay. So that's good. Perfect. So we're still gonna keep an eye on Euro NZD. USD CHF, I don't think I'm gonna keep it on my watch list right now. The move already happened. I mean, no, actually, no. Okay, the fun thing about USD CHF, so let's rewind this a bit. The fun thing with USD CHF is it was a counter trend trade, and I was catching the move up to my weekly golden zone. Okay, so now if you look at this, let's go down to the weekly, go up to the weekly, I mean. So if you look at this was the move I was expecting to go down. So meanwhile, once I had the daily flipping bullish, I'm like, hey, listen, let's grab this move going up. So we broke out of this range here, broke out of the range, had the retest, obviously, I mean, you don't have to be stubborn about zones, right? There are zones, they are areas, okay? And we moved up, so now I'm actually going to keep USD CHF on my watch list because look at my alert where it's set. Oh, that was the ultimate TP. That was for my runner, but my runner got stopped, or I closed it. I can't remember. And I'm so bad with memories, to be honest. Like, I really sucks. So let me place an alert here that's gonna say entering a weekly GZ. There we go. Perfect. So I'm gonna keep USD CHF. Okay, now let's talk about GA. Now time is for GA. GA. So look like we're in drawdown right now. So minus 6.5 pips on one position and plus 1.5 pips on the other. So now let's break it down. Break it down. I'm trying to look like 22 years old. Hopefully, not too often anyone that's 22 years old, guys. Okay, but I'm 42, so I'm trying to be cool. Okay, I'm sure. Man, I'm saying so much bullshit today. Okay, so let's focus here. Weekly. So we got the weekly bearish here. All right, and we had the pullback inside that weekly golden zone. So I'm like, all right, cool, interesting. Now let's go take a look at the daily. Look at this daily. Daily is beautiful. Daily pull. We had the move down. We got the pull back. We got this nice doji here, bearish. So I'm like, all right, this is the time we're going down. This is the time we're going down. The only thing that made me is being hesitant. Can you say hesitant? I guess I don't know. It's this daily bearish here after reaching the golden zone, like and we failed on creating a new low. So I'm like, ish, but whatever. The rest made sense, right? So look at H4. H4 went bullish, still bullish, and boom, we went bearish, have the pullback, nice engulfing candle on this. When I entered, the engulfing candle wasn't there though, but we had this doji. We had this doji, so I was like, all right. So now let me switch down to the lower time frame. Let me see if we can have an entry possible. So now if you look at it, we got price coming down. Boom, we got the pullback. Double top right here. We broke under, move up to retest the neckline to go down. I'm like, shit, this is it. So now I went, because this was at 9, so I think I entered on the 30-minute. Is that right? Ew. 1 hour? Yeah, okay, I entered on that on 1 hour. Sorry. So I didn't even took the retest here. Sorry. I was talking about the retest, but I didn't even took the retest here. So double top, boom, we broke at the neckline. This was a little risky when I think about it now. But honestly, I did that so quick. I was not even like on my computer. I was like in between two meetings. I was like, oh shit, this is it. I take it. And what I did here, you see two position, right? So my first position is right here. This is my exact entry with my goddamn, my spread. Man, I'm looking for my word today. And what I did is I used a dynamic risk. So when price created the top wick, I decided to enter another position right here. So basically I'm using the same stop, the same risk. So I use the exact same lot size as this one. So meaning I'm risking less. I'm risking less, and I got a better entry. Okay, so that's why I got one position right now running at 2.4 pips, and the other one is at minus 5.6. Okay, so that's what is dynamic risk. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I think that's pretty basic, pretty simple. Cheers, guys. Any questions? Hey, let me go check the chat, man. It's been a while. Sorry, guys. Vanessa, doing well, thanks. Happy to catch you live. Hey, cheers. Can you show us also how you scalp, please, Sasha? Yes, we can do that on a live session on Tuesday morning. Because now just going over like some trader recaps. You're the best. Thanks, man. Popping in to say hi, Sasha. Dylan, what's up? We'll catch a replay later on. Took a buy on CAT GPY last night on a 382 pullback on daily and 4 hour. Oh, sweet, man. We'll go take a look at CAT GPY. I'm curious. Is there much watch list? Yes. So we'll go take a look for sure. Cheers, bud. Cheers. Okay, so I think that's pretty clear here. Best method to have. Man, you're gonna make me blush here. That's that word? Blush? Getting red? Whatever. Sorry. Okay, let's move on. GA. I mean, it's in the play right now, so I'm just set and forget at this stage. The only thing that sucks right now, everything looks good except for the 30-minute. The 30-minute went bullish here. So that's the only thing I don't like as right now. But the 1 hour is still bearish. I would be more confident if that 1 hour was like kind of engulfing there. I'll be like, all right, sweet. we're good, you know. But right now, just like kind of, I don't know, but we'll see. We shall see. Okay, what else? What else? What else? What else? Boys and girls. Euro NZD, we talked about it. NZD Chef, we talked about. That was the other win. That was another. Boom! 3-1, baby. Yeah, that one was pretty good. So let's go. So the weekly here. So weekly was bearish. Reach out the golden zone, nice engulfing candle. Reach out the weekly area of interest, ready to go down. Daily was bearish. Daily was bearish. I was really expecting a bigger pullback on the daily. Not gonna lie, but 4 hour made sense. 4 we went bearish here. Let me grab the arrow. So we went bearish. We did nothing here. Nothing. We're still bearish. And I was waiting for an entry like on H1, right? So basically, we finally went bearish. Where's my line here? I shouldn't update that. I should not update my lines until I break it down in front of you, so it's going to be less confusing, but whatever. So, all right. So here, let's do this. Yeah, I should definitely not update my chart before I break it down with you guys, but it doesn't matter. Here, I mean, we had a higher high here. We went bearish, but no entry here, no engulfing, nothing. And we finally had another move up here, another high low, and we finally have a nice engulfing candle right here. So that's why I didn't enter before that. Obviously, I would have loved to enter a little higher, but this is where my entry was, and that's it. My entry was a little further, obviously with spread, and by the time candles move, that's what happened. And man, this shit went down pretty fast. Not gonna lie, like I entered like on that candle, like was 9-ish. Yeah, 9-ish. Just want to check the 30-minute. 1 second. Yeah, I entered on the 1 hour. So yeah. So anyways, and you saw that live. Actually, this trade is the trade we took live on Tuesday morning. I'm pretty sure. Is that Tuesday? That's Tuesday. We took that trade fucking live. So I guess it was at 8:30 then. So it wasn't there other than 30-minute then. So I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to watch my own fucking replay now. I'm pretty sure we entered on the 30-minute now that we're talking about it, because that's 8. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking now. Because 9, I'm pretty sure the stream was closed. But whatever. Took that trade fucking live with you. So if you want to watch a full breakdown, I'm gonna break it down again. Go watch the replay. So basically, you have two really good breakdown: the USD CHF one and the NZD CHF win. So you definitely want to watch Tuesday morning replay. It was great. So that one went down pretty fast. Like this was like by the end of the day. Yeah, like at the beginning of an Asian session, boom, smash TP. And dude, look at how precise that TP was. And look at my USD CHF TP. Like hit the TP and right after that, bam. But obviously it went up after that, right? But man, like I was pretty happy. When I saw price melt after, I was like, oh shit, that was a good exit. Obviously, like after that, you're like, GN. That was a paper trade that I took with you on Thursday, last Thursday or last Tuesday morning. Oh, actually, let's check a look at the date. That was Tuesday, last Tuesday morning. So if you want to look at the full breakdown of that one, look not Tuesday this week, previous Tuesday. That was a win. That was a fucking win. I didn't took it live, but I took the paper trade live with you just to explain you. I missed the entry because it was during the night. But when we broke it down, obviously we didn't have the full, like we didn't have all those candles. Obviously, I think we only had like those 2 or whatever, something like that. And I broke it down. I said, this is where I would have get in. And I think that was on the 30-minute, if I'm not wrong. Yes, exactly, right here on this engulfing 30-minute candle. This is where I would have been in. I think we only had like maybe this candle when I broke it down, something like that, whatever. And you know what? Boom, another 3, 2, 1. Fuck, man, this stream is fired up, making money. Man, I don't know what's going on with me, man. I'm pumped up right now. Shit. Okay, let me check the chat. Cheers, guys. Do you do to the next daily area? Yeah, most of the time I'll do my ultimate TP there, but most of the time I will take like a 3, 2, 1. I will secure most of my profit at 3, 2, 1. I was there when you did that analysis for UNZ, but I didn't catch it. I was busy. Shoot, man. That was free money. That was free money. All right, let's get back to serious mode. Bam. All right, what's that? What's next? Eurocad. What's going on? Eurocad. Oh shoot. I guess I missed it. Shoot. How the fuck did I miss that? Oh yeah, because here I was waiting for potential lower high. It never happened. Oh, now I know. Now I know. All right, so your cat is I don't know. Now I don't like it. Later, boom. All right, CHF still waiting. Pullback, not happening right now. So let's wait. Cat GPY. Oh shoot, yeah. Who was talking about Cat GPY? I think you're gonna be good. Okay, let's break it down. All right, so we got Cat GPY bullish. I was waiting for a pullback around this area, the daily area of interest. The daily golden zone just a little lower, but like our friend said, that is, I'm pretty sure 382, like he said. Yes, exactly. So 382 level right there. We're pretty much at the daily area of interest. Mostly we for sure retested previous resistance right here. So previous structure, so that's good. All right, so weekly bullish, daily pullback, area of interest, previous structure. So far, so good. 4 hour now. So 4 hours bullish. Ooh. Okay, yeah, okay, we're good. Because we went bearish here, from there to there, and after that, boom, we moved bullish, right? The only thing is, I personally would not be in that trade because I don't see any pullback here. Maybe here because you're testing 4 hour structure. Let's see. Yeah, maybe here. Yeah. That would be my only possible entry. That would be like right here. But that is at 11 p.m. and I'm sleeping at that time. So I would definitely miss that trade. Because after that, boom, boom, boom. Maybe at 8 here. Yeah. Probably here at 8, I would probably be tempted. That was today. Oh, yeah, I was in a meeting. So I didn't see it. Yeah, so either this entry or this entry. Like this one, especially after this one not having success. Now you're going like even a little lower than this support. This engulfing be like kind of sketchy, So I would not taking that one. But yeah, I think it looks good, bro. I think you're good. So let's check the daily here. Daily. I just don't like this daily today. I really don't like that doji. So I'm gonna do weekly. Yeah, all depends. Like if we break this high, we should be good. I mean, you should be good. But I just don't trust that one, especially after this big ass rejection here. This technically should give a lot of fuel for this candle to shoot up. Oh, actually, you took a buy, right? Wait a second. It's a buy, right? Everything's like, Sasha, are you drunk already? What the fuck? Yeah, you're good, bro. You're good. I think, yeah, I think you're good. Yeah. Sorry, man. So you should be good. You should be good. I just Doji for me, it's still like rejection. But yeah, I think you're good because this is a big ass wick here, big ass rejection. We respected previous low. This one broke previous high, so technically we should continue to the upside. Now it's just a matter of fact of breaking this high now. So I think you're good. I think you're good. Price probably gonna have like a little pullback here on the H4 to go up higher, but you should be fine. Okay, so up next. Man, oh man. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, now you missed Eurocat. I know. Shit. Cat GPY also missed shit. Yeah, I know, man. What's up? Yeah, what's up? What's up with that? Manager. I think so. Like I was at that same microbrewery this at lunchtime. So maybe that's why. And usually when I get drunk, I start giving a shit away. So better be ready. All right, so let's move on. Cheers, guys. What time is it? Oh, we're good. Okay. Do we have time for a couple more? And send out your question, guys, if you have any question. So Euro GPY is still waiting for the pullback here. Right. So we got a daily golden zone in sync with a weekly area of interest, which is beautiful. Love it. Daily is bullish, so we need to wait here. Need to be patient. GCAD, what's up, GCAD? GCAD is bullish. We got to pull back inside that weekly golden zone. The daily is, man, the daily is bearish. What? Wait a second. Bullish. Yeah, okay. Daily is bearish. Yeah, definitely gonna have to wait for this. This daily. Sorry, sometime, man, I have brain freeze and I need to think. I'm talking to myself sometimes. Euro AUD. Nuts. Yeah, we were right here, but it didn't work. We're still in this area now. We got a double top here inside that bearish trend. So hold on. Let's see. Oh yeah, now we got a support form here on the weekly. That is very sketchy because the weekly is bullish. So this was to be a day trade, right? And it didn't play out. So yeah, fuck Euro AUD. EuroCAD though, EuroCAD, I had it on my watch list, I think. Why did I move? Bearish, pullback, daily bearish, pullback, golden zone, daily area of interest. But now we're almost at that daily support, right? So, I mean, wait a second. Why is this line here? Yeah, no, not interested. Yeah, we just talked about that one. All right, any other pair you guys want to take a look at? Because I didn't check them all, to be honest. That's my main one. Maybe I missed something. Maybe you saw something, guys. Let me just check quickly. The day time frame on these guys. Oh, we never, well, not even close to get this pullback. Boom. What about the weekly here? So weekly, we're just continuing down. So this is a no-go. Here we're at a lower low, no-go. What? No-go. Fuck, no-go. Absolutely not. Really? That's disgusting. That is downtown, baby. Nah, man, shit, we're about to create a new lower low here. Weekly USD. Oh, fuck, man. Look at this pair. Look at this. Guys, look at this. We are bearish since August 2022. More than 2 years. More than 2 years ranging in this. This is disgusting. After that, people wonder like why they blow their account or lose money because they're trading in a range. Man, you gotta be trading when it's trending. You see, that's poetic. You know, you gotta be trading when it's trending. This is beautiful. And shit, I should be a poet. How do you say that? What? Whatever. All right, let me see the chat here. Let me drink also one beer for you. You should, man. You're late in the program. Come on, bro. Cheers. GCAD, can you check? I think we just did. I'll recheck just to make sure for you. GCAD, we are bullish. Pullback weekly golden zone. Daily is bearish. And 4 hour is bearish. Let me update that. There we go. So right now, I mean, yeah, I can do shit. I mean, the only thing I can do is probably like a day trade, you know. But right now, my golden zone is already reached, so I'm not willing to do a counter trend trade here. So it's a no-go for me. And also gold, if you can check that. Really? Gold? Thanks, man. Cheers. You're welcome, bro. All right, let's take a look at gold. Gold is the best vacuum, the money vacuum for all retail trader. Everyone lose so much money on gold because everybody is trying to trade gold. It's like, oh, it's so nice, it's so hyped. Everybody's talking about gold, you know. Gold is so exciting to trade. It's moving fast. Big traders are trading gold. We should trade gold. Fuck no. You know, gold's gonna run away with your money, you know, if you don't know what you're doing, you know. Because gold, man, in a fraction of a second, your account can be blown. All right. So you have to be very careful. Okay. And especially now, these days, with election right now, wars, you know, one tweet from one president and gold goes bam, 300 pips or bam, down 300 pips. Okay. So I know I experienced it during COVID time. It was crazy, you know. And guess what? I'm not trading gold anymore. All right. So, anyways, that being said, weekly is bullish. Daily is stiffly bullish, but we are at a higher high. So, am I interested in swinging gold? No. Now, what about scalp? I would never scalp during Asian session, to be honest. There's no volume. If you're scalping, scalp is about impulse move. You want to be during London session or NY session. So you got your weekly bullish. You're creating a higher high. You had a higher high on the daily. You had a higher high on the 4 hour. I mean, you got to leave it alone. No pullback, no trade. That's pretty much it. Go because when I see you, what the advice you give. Yeah, my best advice will be don't fucking touch it. You know, just don't touch it, man. Like gold is like lava. You know, it's like it's lava. Dude, you go trade gold, your money's going fire, bro. But I'm making a lot of jokes, but you can make money on gold. Yeah, I got a couple of friends that do trade gold very well. You know, Kerwin is one of them, doing super good. There's a couple other guys that trade gold that are doing super good. Personally, it's not for me. I like the set and forget strategy. So gold, I mean, if you set and forget too long, oh shoot, man, this thing can be like all over the place. I'm telling you, one tweet from one president and gold goes like bam. So you got to be super duper careful. Okay. Um, yeah. I lost a lot from gold really because I started with that like 4 years ago. Yeah. Yep. Yep. I feel you. I feel you. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in today. It was a great show. I think we had a lot of fun, good questions. We got good breakdowns. And don't forget, watch Tuesday morning because they're two major, very good breakdowns. You definitely want to watch it. Yeah, it's really worth it. Okay. Let me just try this. Okay, cool. So yeah, thank you so much again for watching. I'll be on Tuesday morning live session around like 7:30 a.m. Activate notification. You'll know when I come live. And yeah, trade safe, guys. Thank you so much, and have a great evening. Peace out.